Sony's lineup in 2026 is massive, and if you're trying to figure out which camera is actually worth your money, the options alone are enough to stall any decision. The wrong choice means wasted money, wasted time, and a camera that doesn't match what you actually shoot. That's exactly why I put together this video, the only 3 Sony cameras you should buy in 2026, so you stop overthinking and start shooting with the right gear. I've narrowed the entire Sony lineup down to 3 cameras that genuinely make sense right now, and by the end of this, you'll know exactly which one is yours. Before I break down camera number 3, if you want to stay ahead on camera recommendations and new Sony releases before everyone else, subscribe and turn on notifications right now. You don't want to miss what's coming. Starting at number 3, the Sony A7V. This camera sits at around $2,900 for the body. And before anything else, understand what you're actually getting for that price, because this is where Sony got the balance exactly right for 2026. The reason I'm recommending the A7V is because it's the best all-round full-frame hybrid right now. And the numbers back that up. Strong sales rankings, unbeatable balance of resolution, AI autofocus speed, low-light performance, and pro-level video without any major compromises. It delivers future-proof features that outperform older Sony models and rival cameras in the same price range. Whether you're a serious enthusiast or a working professional who wants one versatile camera that handles everything, photos and video, the A7V is the smart, confident choice in 2026. The A7V is built on a 33-megapixel partially stacked Exmor RS sensor paired with Sony's Bionz XR2 processor and a built-in AI unit. And that combination means the camera isn't just fast, it's intelligently fast. The 759-point phase detect autofocus with real-time tracking and AI subject recognition handles portraits, events, street photography, moving subjects, and video work without requiring you to adjust complex settings every time you switch subjects. The system reads the scene, identifies what matters, and holds on to it. In real use, that means fewer missed shots and more confidence no matter what environment you're shooting in. For photographers, 33 megapixels comfortably covers large prints, heavy cropping, and demanding editorial work without feeling like you're leaving quality behind. Pre-capture and speed boost let you shoot at 30 frames per second, so fast action is well within reach. The 7.5-stop 5-axis image stabilization is among the best you'll find in any body at this price. Handheld shots in low light that once required a tripod are now clean and usable straight out of camera. On the video side, the A7V shoots 4K at 60 frames per second in 10-bit with S-Log3 and S-Cinetone built in. Professional-grade footage from a body that is equally at home as a photography tool. The 3.68 million dot EVF with 120 frames per second refresh, the 3.2-inch 4-axis multi-angle touchscreen, dual USB-C ports, and CF Express A plus SD card slots round out a package that feels genuinely premium in every aspect of daily use. This is the camera for the serious enthusiast, the hybrid shooter, the portrait or wedding photographer who needs reliable AF and strong resolution, and the videographer who wants capable run-and-gun performance. It doesn't ask you to specialize. And at this price point in 2026, nothing in this segment balances everything this well. No wasted money, no ceiling 6 months after buying, just a camera that grows with you and stays relevant. Now, the A7V is a powerful all-rounder. But what if you need something built specifically for creators who are just getting started or want maximum value without full-frame costs? Camera number 2 answers that exactly, and the price might surprise you. Camera number 2 is the Sony A1 II, and this one comes in at around $7,000 for the body. Say that out loud and it sounds like a serious commitment. But think about this camera not as an expensive purchase. Think about it as a professional tool that pays for itself when the work demands it. If you're the type of shooter this camera is built for, that $7,000 stops feeling heavy very quickly. The reason I'm recommending the A1 II is because it's Sony's top flagship for zero-compromise performance. And in 2026, that still means something significant. The stacked sensor and dedicated AI upgrades give it an edge that working professionals genuinely rely on. insane speed at high resolution, flawless tracking for sports and wildlife, and elite video capabilities that hold up against every competing flagship at this price. If you need the absolute best for demanding professional work, the A1 II justifies every dollar of that premium as the no-limits tool that stays ahead of the curve. The A1 II runs a 50.1-megapixel full-frame stacked BSI sensor that shoots at up to 30 frames per second, with full autofocus and auto-exposure tracking active the entire time. That combination of serious resolution at serious speed is something most cameras still can't offer. They make you choose one or the other. The A1 II doesn't. And that's not a small thing when you're shooting a sports event or a wildlife assignment where the moment doesn't wait for your camera to catch up. It also shoots 8K at 30p and 4K at 120p in 10-bit, which covers every professional video requirement that exists right now and most of what will exist in the next few years. So you're not buying a camera that becomes outdated. You're buying one that stays relevant well beyond 2026. The dedicated AI unit powering subject detection and tracking on this camera is what truly separates it in high-pressure shooting environments. Sports, wildlife, fast-moving action. The AF locks on and holds. Through motion, obstacles, and changing light with a consistency that matters when you're on assignment, and missing the moment simply isn't an option. Over 15 stops of dynamic range, 8.5 stops of IBIS, and a build quality and ergonomics that Sony genuinely improved over the original A1. This is a flagship that earns the title every single time you pick it up. If you're a photojournalist, commercial photographer, sports or wildlife shooter, or high-end videographer operating at a professional level, the A1 II is the camera that keeps you ahead in 2026. It is not for everyone. And it doesn't need to be. But if you recognize your work in that description, nothing on this list or outside of it will serve you better. Zero compromise. Zero second guessing. Exactly what demanding work requires. 2 cameras down. And camera number 1 is the recommendation that most people watching this right now are going to connect with immediately. It covers a very specific buyer that neither the A75 nor the A1 II is built for. And in 2026, it's the most important value story Sony has on the market. Camera number 1 is the Sony ZV-E10 II. And if content creation is your primary goal, this is the recommendation I'd make without hesitation. The body sits at around $1,000, and with the kit lens you're looking at $1,300. For everything this camera delivers in 2026, that number is genuinely hard to argue with. The reason I'm recommending the ZV-E10 II is because it's still the top value camera for content creators in 2026, and nothing at this price comes close to matching what it offers. Excellent 4K quality, creator-focused features, and access to Sony's full E-mount lens ecosystem, all on a budget that doesn't require a full-frame investment. If you're starting out or want portable, capable gear without full-frame costs, this camera punches well above what you'd expect at this price point, and that's exactly why it earns the number 1 spot on this list. The ZV-E10 II shoots 4K at 60 frames per second, and at 30p it's completely uncropped, meaning you get the full field of view from your lens without the awkward zoom-in effect that cheaper cameras force on you. That matters more than most people realize when you're watching your footage back and something just feels off without knowing why. Full HD at 120 frames per second handles smooth slow motion without any struggle, and the 26-megapixel aps-c XMOR sensor produces clean, well-graded footage straight out of camera. Less time in post, more time making content. What separates this camera from everything else at this price is how deliberately it was designed for creators. The flip-out vari-angle screen means you can see yourself clearly whether you're sitting at a desk, walking through a city, or filming in a tight space. The built-in 3-capsule directional microphone does a genuinely solid job isolating your voice from background noise, useful for anyone who hasn't yet built out a full audio setup. The vlogging-focused UI keeps the experience simple, so you're not buried in menus when you just need to hit record and start talking. Real world, this is the camera for the person starting or growing a YouTube channel, building a social media presence, or wanting a lightweight travel camera that doesn't compromise on quality. The E-mount lens ecosystem gives you serious room to grow, And in 2026 at this price point, nothing in the aps-c category gives creators more of what they actually need day to day. No wasted money, no unnecessary complexity, just a camera that matches exactly where you are and where you're heading. So to bring it all together, the three Sony cameras worth your money in 2026 are the A7V for enthusiasts and hybrid shooters who want the best all-round full-frame experience, the A1 II for professionals who need zero-compromise speed and resolution for demanding work, and the ZV-E10 II as the smartest pick for creators who want excellent video quality and creator-focused features without spending full-frame money. Stop overthinking the decision. One of these three is yours. Now, if after watching this you're thinking about waiting to see what Sony announces before committing to a purchase, that's a completely reasonable instinct. The next video covers Sony's upcoming cameras for 2026, what's been confirmed, what's rumored, and whether any of those releases are actually worth holding out for. Watch that one next and you'll have the full picture to make a decision you're fully confident in.